guys, welcome back to Devic Hair. In this video I'm giving you an update. Or if you have been following me, you know I'm on a twist lead retention challenge. I'm trying to give you an update on what has been happening with my hair. So if you notice, I transitioned into a tinier twist. I kind of get bored easily, yeah, so I can't stay in twist in one pattern for the entire year, so I had to transition into twist. It didn't take any big deal. All I had to do was take down one chunky twist and reduce it. So maybe one chunky twist will evolve into 4, 3, 2, depending on the size of that particular twist, and that was it. I didn't take down my entire hair before installing the twist. There was no exact drama to it. It was just the regular kind of washing and moisturizing and retwisting. Okay, so yeah, I still wash my hair in twist. That has not changed at all, because that's like the easiest way to wash my hair. So but the thing is, I don't wash my hair every week again. I do it every 2 weeks, clearly because damn, it's not easy to install my twist. So there are pros and cons to mini twist. I'll start with the pros. The pros are it's fuller, kind of gives you voluminous good styles when you want to install styles. It kind of gives you more length, it kind of gives you more volume as well. So it's just a prettier way to go about twisting your hair. And then the con is only the fact that installing it is a bit dramatic, because it takes almost forever to be done. On a good day, installing twist is not fun. How much more mini twist? But I can actually wear them for 3 weeks to a month, but I haven't tried that yet because I'm just used to doing it for 2 weeks. I may try it. If I do it, I'll let you know. I'll update you again. I'll show you guys the styles I've been wearing my mini twists in for the past I think 6 weeks ish. Yes, so
wanna make love on the moon, dancing to my tunes. Easy too much, it's not too much. I wanna be on fourth list if wishes were horses. Easy too much, it's not too much. If I want money me, I do want dance, I got to say. If I want money me, I'ma buy my shojo, I'ma buy my foya, I'ma buy me. Yeah, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, yeah, yeah. I wanna be.
If you loved it, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more updates coming up. So thank you for watching. Bye.